in San Antonio, Texas, and we are downtown at the Riverwalk, and I think we're going to take the riverboat tour. So
150 feet to the antenna. You have a Chart House restaurant at the top. Seafood that revolves every hour.
Should go up this way and talk to him.
We do have 41 life jackets right in front of the boat. If for any reason the boat were to sink, guys, we have the life jacket. We have a good safety record. Some strange reasons, you do find yourself inside the San Antonio River, guys. Do not panic. Just stand up, walk out. It's only 4 feet deep. Not that deep at all. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the cruise, enjoy this evening, guys.
CBS, you need anything?
We're having an observatory as well. Now, we used to be number 1. We did get bumped down to number 2. The tallest tower today in the United States is the Stratosphere in Vegas. That one stands a little bit over 1,000 feet. The tallest tower in the Seattle Space Shuttle is number 3 at 600. Now the tallest tower in the world is the CN Tower in Canada. That one's about 1,800 feet tall. Yeah. Now right now, guys, you're gonna see the tower again right here to the right. Get a better view of it. See that? But right now, we're gonna go ahead and enter the River Center Mall. The shops at River Center. We're actually gonna see another dock coming up on the right though. We actually have one of our marinas right underneath the building here where we park our boats at night. And right now, we're gonna go through one of our floodgates, floodgate 4. Now this gate will rise out of the water like a drawbridge. That green light is letting us know that it is safe to enter the flood control channel, the deepest part of the river, 15 feet. We do not go left. There's a 15-foot drop down south of the river.